Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you will be fine. In this video, I will show you how you can create such type of stack bar chart using descriptive statics for our research paper. So in order to create such a chart, stacked bar, in order to create such a stacked bar, you have to arrange your questions in a line like their gender, age, education. You have to arrange all of your questions on this vertical column and subcategory of each question you have to paste in a top row. Like we have gender category of male, female, and then we have a age category of 18 to 30, 30 to 45, and then so on. We have to arrange the education and the matrix. After arranging such after arranging such arrangements, you have to provide percentage of each category on here. Like we have gender 76% male and 23% female, and such we have education 3.9% of commuters have education under metric and 5%, 26% are intermediate, and so that we have to arrange our data. After the arrangement of the data, you have to copy all the data and you have to make selection of this data by pressing Control Shift and left arrow, right arrow key. After that, you have to go to the insert key. After the insert key, you have to go to this option, insert column or bar chart. Here you have to go to the stacked bar chart. After clicking on the stacked bar chart, you have to switch your rows and columns. After switching row to the column, you have to go here and you have to remove the title. And you have to add our data labels. Now after adding the data labels, you have to right click and now you have to go to the format data label. Here in format data label, you have to first click on your label value and then you have to click here series and you have to untick value and hence we have to do for all subcategories. After applying such a change to all the option subcategory of questions, you will get a question vector chart. You will get our final chart like that. Uh, those subcategory which are not falling within that option, you have to move them like that. Just you have to drag this category like and it will automatically marks it with the arrow. For example, we want to make our this category move to outside the border here, and it automatically add an arrow on that category. Hence, you can create a stack bar chart of your descriptive statics like that. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like for more videos like that. Thank you.